Okay, you guys, let's make some hard-boiled eggs. So first thing that you're gonna need is you're gonna need your eggs. Second thing you're gonna need is your stackable cooling rack. Okay, I have filled mine with a dozen eggs. And next thing that you're gonna need is a pressure cooker. So this is the deluxe multi-cooker from Pampered Chef, and there is actually a section on here for eggs. So let's get started. Okay, so we are going to take our dozen eggs and we are gonna lower this tray into the multi-cooker. We're gonna add 1 cup of water. We're going to lock the lid. Okay, and then we are going to select, we're going to select our egg setting, and it automatically goes for 12 minutes. So all you need to do is push the button. Okay, so as this is going, it will start to preheat, it'll build that pressure, and in 12 minutes, we will have perfectly hard-boiled eggs. It's amazing. Okay, timer just went off, so next thing that we wanna do is we wanna hit the release button right here, so all the pressure goes up. Now we're just going to open up the lid. And careful, it's very hot. Okay, then you want to take your oven mitts, grab the handles, set your eggs down, have something ready, either a bowl or a container of some sort with ice. Okay, so that you can actually cool down your eggs. Using the ice will actually stop the cooking process. We don't want to overcook the hard-boiled eggs. Okay,